Hello. So today we have this TV. It's a Samsung 40 inches. Model number is UN40F5000AF. This TV came in to our shop, and the only thing it does is it shows a red light in the front, and doesn't matter if you try to turn it off from the buttons or the remote control, the TV will not come on. So we're gonna open it up and diagnose what the problem is. Okay, so this is what we have inside of this Samsung 40 inches LED TV. The first thing we are trying is to check our power supply, that after disconnecting this connector right here. This is, I think, the connector CNM803. After we disconnect this connector right here, we plug in the power cord, the TV comes on, the backlight comes on. It will not show anything on the screen, no menu, no nothing, only the display, only the backlights will turn on. So we connect that back in. We came into our power supply. All voltages are fine, but we found, we believe that the problem is on the main board. And to be more specific, we believe that the problem is going to be on the EEPROM of this TV, which is this one right here. Is the IC, let me try to focus this the best as I can for you guys. This is the IC001. Okay, so after we apply some freezer to the EEPROM, the TV comes on. The TV turns on, shows menu, shows the menu, shows display, shows the channels for like probably 10 seconds only. And then it will freeze again, or the screen actually, the display and picture disappears, and it will basically, you cannot operate the TV anymore. So we believe that the problem is the memory. We're going to program the memory, reprogram this memory, and try it again. So here's the TV. It's working properly again. And we found that the problem was on the main board. And to be more exact, the problem is it was on the EEPROM. We had a defective EEPROM. This is the number of the main board. We tried to find a new main board first because we thought it could be more convenient to just replace the whole thing, but we couldn't find it available for an affordable price. There were a few sellers as of today, February 16, a few sellers had it available, and they were selling it for over $150, when this TV is still in the stores and you can buy it basically for $290. So it was not convenient to purchase a new circuit board for over $150. So the problem was the EEPROM. EEPROM, the part number is W25Q128FV, and the location number is IC901. I said previously that the location was IC001. I was wrong. It's IC901. So we basically copied the data from this defective memory and copy it to a new memory that we ordered, and the TV started working properly again. By the way, if you guys are interested in purchasing this memory, we will have it available in our website. You can find the link probably on the bottom of the descriptions. And also, if you would like to read more details about how we repair this TV, please check our blog in our website, which is SilverEtechs.com. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye.